A masjid doesn't run on Ramadan nights alone. It runs every single day of the year. Every class, every prayer, every gathering. There are unavoidable costs to all of this. Electricity to keep the lights on, and heating to keep the masjid warm and open during the winter. And not to mention classes, workshops, seminars for brothers and sisters, youth activities, Ramadan itself. All of this comes at a cost. We need help to raise £40,000 to run this masjid for the entire year. We are pleased to announce that in 2026 we're going to have a subsidized youth counselling service here in the masjid. £5,000 will be allocated to these services, providing our youth with structured, supervised support within the masjid. Every generation has its tests, but today our youth face great pressure. Providing positive and safe spaces within the masjid is part of maintaining it. And it's not just protecting the building of the masjid, but rather the community as a whole. This Ramadan, give to your masjid. Donate for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for the benefit of not just yourself and your children, but the whole community. Comment ID down below to donate, and a member of our team will contact you, inshallah ta'ala.